Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to turn off auto subscription or auto payment request in your Play Store. This is very easy, let's jump right in. First of all, you have to tap on top right your profile icon. When you click on this, here you have to click on this. Now here you have to click on this payment and subscription icon at the second option. Here you can see, tap on this. When you click on this payment and subscription button, now here you will see an option of subscriptions. You have to click on this subscription button. When you click on this, here you have to tap on subscription which you want to cancel or which you want to cancel the payment request. After that, you have to tap on cancel subscription at the bottom. When you click on this, here you have to select any reason for your subscription for your canceling. Now tap on continue at the bottom again. In this way you can cancel your subscription from Play Store. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.